Welcome to our YouTube channel. We share informative and interesting facts that you might know before. In this video, we would like to share with you 30 amazing facts about Kenya. In the region of East Africa, Kenya resides on the coast of the Indian Ocean and is bordered by Somalia, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda, and Tanzania. With a population of over 53 million, it is the 47th largest country in the world. Kenya's official languages are English and Swahili, with Swahili being the national language. The Great Rift Valley, Mount Kenya, and the Masai Mara National Reserve are among Kenya's natural attractions. In Kenya, the Great Rift Valley is a series of large, deep trenches on the Earth's surface that are home to a variety of animals. Mount Kenya is the highest mountain in Kenya, with its highest peak standing at 5,199 meters, 17,057 feet. The Masai Mara National Reserve is a large game reserve located in southwestern Kenya, known for its abundance of wildlife, including the Big Five, lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhinoceros. There are over 42 different ethnic groups in Kenya, each with its own culture and traditions. Nairobi is Kenya's capital city and is known for its vibrant culture and bustling business district. As of August 2003, Kenya has adopted the Kenyan shilling as its official currency, which is abbreviated as KES. Kenya is known for its strong economy, with industries such as agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing. Kenya's national motto is Harambee, which is a Swahili word meaning pull together and is the official motto of the country. With dishes such as ugali, a maize-based staple food, and nyama choma, grilled meat, Kenya is known for its delicious cuisine. Kenyan traditional music uses instruments such as the nyatiti, a stringed instrument, and the urutu, a one-stringed instrument. The traditional dress of Kenya is the kikoi, a brightly colored cotton cloth worn as a wrap around the waist or over the shoulder. There are over 1,100 species of birds and over 100 species of mammals in Kenya. The national animal of Kenya is the lion, which is depicted on the Kenyan coat of arms. Among all the flowers of Kenya, it is without a doubt the African violet that is regarded as the country's national flower. Kenya's national tree is the doom palm tree, which is considered to be an ancient tree. The national sport of Kenya is athletics, with the country producing many world-class runners and track and field athletes. There are many cultural traditions in Kenya, including the Maasai tribe, which is known for its traditional dress and beadwork. The Masai Mara National Reserve is named after the Maasai tribe, who have lived in the area for centuries. The Swahili culture of Kenya is a blend of African, Arab, and Indian influences, and is known for its architecture, music, and cuisine. With its imposing Swahili-style architecture and rich history, Mombasa Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lake Turkana National Parks are a series of national parks in northern Kenya that have unique landscapes and abundant wildlife. Located in southern Kenya, Amboseli National Park offers stunning views of Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest mountain. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more entertaining and fact-based videos.